What's up, everyone? Blake here, joined by Max and my brother Ben, and welcome to a Kinetic spearfishing adventure taking you south of the border to the amazing Bahia De Los Angeles, otherwise known as BOLA. It's springtime and the crew decided to squeeze in an action-packed Baja trip before the local diving really picked up in San Diego for the summer. After mission planning and gear prep, we finally loaded up the truck and headed south for what we hoped would be an action-packed trip with yellowtail and cabrilla on the menu. First morning, 25th of May, 2021, Bay of LA, down in Baja. We're just finished loading up the truck. Gonna meet our captain at 5:30. And we got lots of gear in here, fish bags, etc. Everybody is loading up for the day. There's my good buddy Jimmy. Got a posse here. They're gonna go rod fishing, and we are on a separate boat going spearfishing. Oh yeah! How's everyone looking? Good morning. Time. It's time. Good morning, Maximus.
Here we go, baby.
All right. Got all the gears. Here's our sleeping sitch. All right. Nice little sunrise.
Hey, the bread and Doritos are back there.
We got one loaf already.
Oh, we do? Yeah, we're
right here. Where's the other one? You threw it in here? The other loaf?
You're
1 week.
You don't need to drink water. We'll be surrounded by water. Gasolina, huh?
Time to get it. 2 years. Rig them up.
Rig them up. Por los amigos. Hay un cañón. Yeah, it's got two tires.
Point A to point B.
Los Hondas y el Yamaha es mío. Good morning, Los Angeles!
Here we are. We were finally here, and after launching the Ponga, we were taken back by the conditions and the unbelievable landscape that surrounded the area. There's just something about being on a trip like this that really taps into why I love to spearfish. It's not just about shooting the fish, it's more about everything that surrounds that 1 second trigger pull and all the effort that goes into ensuring you will have the absolute best chance of a successful hunt. These aspects of spearfishing keep me going back under what I personally find to be rewarding when you are fortunate enough to be able to land a fish. I enjoy being pushed out of my comfort zone, and exploring a new underwater world really taps into that primal drive that I personally have towards spearfishing. Even though I was completely relaxed and trying my best to enjoy this moment, I was freaking out on the inside from the excitement of exploration. After a quick ride out that felt like hours, we finally arrived. We suited up, picked out our gear, and hopped in to get warmed up for a long day of diving. This spot had a cool backdrop with a nice boulder line that fell into a sand flat that seemed to provide the perfect setup for yellowtail and cabrilla. We arrived during slack tide, so there really wasn't a lot of current, which made for some pretty relaxed reef diving, and after a few drops we knew right away that this spot was going to offer some amazing diving. We had already experienced what we had hoped for out of this trip, and it was only the first day. Endless schools of yellowtail and solid cabrilla that were spawning up in the shallows made for some pretty epic diving and trigger time. With a few hours left in the day, we scouted some new spots before calling it and heading back to the ramp. We still had cleanup ahead of us before we could kick back and really enjoy the evening and catch up with the other crews. Overall, we could have packed up and headed back to San Diego, but there were still new spots to explore and good times to be had.